Apply the PTFE tape in a clockwise direction, ensuring the thread is adequately covered. Screw the float valve into the trough inlet by hand, using the body of the valve until tight. Finish tightening using the body of the valve with a wrench or multi-grips until tight. The compact lever version has 3 adjustment positions for the float on the lever to achieve the desired water level. Should the level extension be required, unscrew the float from the lever using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then attach the supplied lever extension to the float in one of the 3 positions. Then attach the lever extension and float to the short lever, which has 3 positions of adjustment, giving you multiple water level adjustments. Ensure the valve is perpendicular and turn on the water supply.